Your ex is dating another guy and you want to get her back from him. Hello everyone, it's Fabian, your coach here to guide and help you to win back your ex or a girl you like who ghosted you. And if you're watching this video while your ex-girlfriend is dating another man, what I'm about to share will help you steal her back from that guy. Warning, I only recommend using these strategies if you truly believe you can make her happier with you than with this other guy, and only if you never hurt her emotionally or physically. If you did harm her, stop this video and find another coach, because I believe in karma and ethics and I absolutely refuse to help you if you have caused her pain. But if she left you and you never hurt her, stay focused. The 4 steps I will share next will help you win her back. First of all, women don't move on because they found someone better. They move on because they are chasing a better feeling. Remember this. The new guy is giving her just enough of that fresh energy to mask what's missing. But that glow fades. A lot of guys panic when they see their ex with someone new. They assume, then she must really like him, maybe she has moved on for good, etc., etc. But it's wrong. 9 times out of 10, she's not dating him. She's dating how he makes her feel. It's mostly just a relief from the breakup, from the emotions she doesn't want to deal with, from the familiarity of you. It's a fresh start, but fresh doesn't mean better. So don't panic like most guys do when you are in this situation. Here's what we are going to do. We won't try to logically convince her with direct arguments, comparing yourself to him or trying to prove you are better than him. So step number 1, the power of absence. Go radio silent for at least 1 month. No messages like I hope you are doing well, this type of things. No social media stalking, no accidental midnight calls. She needs space to truly feel your absence. Why this works? Because women process breakups retroactively. Right now, she's riding the post-breakup high, but in 2 or 4 weeks, reality hits, the what-ifs creep in. For example, by not chasing, you flip the script. Now she's wondering, why hasn't he reached out? Did he move on already? That curiosity gap, it's your secret weapon. Step number 2, social proof, the subtle art. What you have to do is live well and let it unfold organically. Share authentic updates. For example, a new skill you are mastering. Cooking classes, you learn how to play piano, guitar, dancing bachata, whatever. Casual group shots with friends. No forced smiles, obviously. And a meaningful project at work, volunteering, travel. Avoid these mistakes like posting gym mirror selfies every day, obvious flexing with a new car or a new watch or fake smiles, and also avoid overposting. Like if you are a guy who is not using social media a lot, just post once or twice a week, it's enough. You don't need to do it every day. And why it works? When she accidentally sees your life, she's not seeing I'm fine without you. She's seeing I'm evolving without you. And this is a FOMO triggers, FOMO, fear of missing out. When your joy feels exclusive, she's not longer part of it. Because the difference is that you are not trying to prove you are happy. You are too busy being happy to care if she notices. And that is more powerful. I'm going to share an example from a client I recently coached. After we deeply identified the real reasons behind his breakup, I asked him this question during our session and I invite you to answer it too. Is there a skill she dreams of a man having? A skill she would have loved for you to have? So for you watching this video, is there a skill she wished you had? For my client, his ex wished he knew how to cook. So when he posted a story of himself taking a cooking class, guess who reacted to that story? Yes, his ex, even though she was officially dating another guy. Now, obviously, it took time and not just one story to win her back, but the fact that she reopened communication was already a strong first step. And that's how you can implement this second step 2. Step number 3, re-establishing contact. If you want to successfully win a woman over, you must speak to her emotions, not her logic. So we'll use messages that implicitly suggest things were better with you and that you are the better choice for her. But she must reach that conclusion on her own. Like in this movie Inception with Leonardo DiCaprio, we want to plant this idea in her mind and nurture her doubt about her current choice. By the end, she should choose to come back to you, not feel forced. Being too direct creates friction and puts your ex or any woman on the defensive, especially if you are verbally aggressive towards a new guy. You need to be smarter. Make her want to leave him and return to you because she will be happier with you. So we are going to use what I call the postcard message technique. This means sending a photo, a video with a short intentional caption. For example, if your ex loves fine dining, go to the best restaurant in town, order sushi or Italian food or her favorite dish. Send her a pic or a video with a caption like a pleasant way to start the weekend or a pleasant way to end the day. What you are simply communicating is that you are enjoying life without her and you are triggering FOMO. So make a list of everything she loves or dreams of. Places, experiences, foods. Use these to craft your postcard message. Also, did you and her have any dream plans together, like traveling somewhere or other things? Because the goal is to actually do those things and later mention it to her or let her see on social media that these things are happening without her. And how do you create even more FOMO? Now is the time more than ever to become that best version of yourself. The one who does the things you've always wanted to do. The version of you that's better than the one she left. And most importantly, better than the guy she's with right now. So if you want to create more FOMO on her side, you have to become this new guy. If she sees on social media or through those little postcard messages you send her that you have added new things to your life, that exciting stuff is happening for you, she will compare what she lost to what she could have had if she hadn't left you, and especially to what she has now. So in your messages to make her leave this other guy, don't try to belittle him directly by insulting him or being aggressive toward him. Ignore him, never ever mention him. Send her 1 or 2 postcard messages per week showing novelty in your life plus social media stories. And on top of that, if you have a video of the two of you laughing or having fun together, you can send it to her with a message like, hey, look what I found while cleaning out my phone. This will spark her curiosity and most importantly, make her reminisce about good times, triggering a dopamine rush. Mix it up, alternate between sending funny or intensely emotional memories you shared. And step number 4, play with nostalgia. You want her to feel what it was like to be with you. And how to weaponize nostalgia, I'm gonna share with you here one proven tactic. You have to send her what I call the remember message. So I'm gonna share with you an example. If you were cooking cupcakes with her and she spilled on your white shirt a cupcake, you can send her, for example, this message. Remember that vanilla cupcake you spilled on my white shirt? Still can't walk past the bakery without laughing. So obviously this is an example with this cupcake example, but you get my point here with this remember message. It works because it activates sense memory, cupcake smell and laughter, and her brain relives the moment, not just remembers it. So you need to use a specific sensory detail. For example, here's the smell of that vanilla cupcake, and also like anchor the memory to a specific sensory detail, smell, sound, weather, because it bypasses logic and triggers emotional recall 10 times harder. Conclusion, if you never lose self-control, avoid neediness, and simply show her through messages, through these postcard messages and social media posts that you are evolving, it's only a matter of time before she realizes you are a better option than the guy she's currently dating. And if right now you have questions, you feel stuck, or you need guidance, drop your questions in the comment below, or book your free consultation with me or a member of my team by clicking the first link in the description below this video.